This is a song I like a lot. I did the chords and stuff. Tom wrote these great words. It's called Don't Fade on Me. I remember you so clearly, the first one through the door. I returned to find you drifting too far from the shore. I remember feeling this way. You can lose it without knowing. You wake up and you don't notice the way the wind is blowing. Don't fade. Don't fade on me. You were the one who made things different. You were the one who took me in. You were the one thing I could count on. Above all, you were my friend. Don't fade. Don't fade on me. Well, your clothes hang on a wire, and the sun is overhead. But today you are too weary to even leave your bed. Was it love that took you under, or did you know too much? Was it something you could picture, but never could quite touch? Don't fade. Don't fade on me.